Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make your own customized reports using query generators on SAP B1. To open the function, you go to menu tool, query and query generators. Query generator looks like this. On today's example, we want to make a consolidated report on item in accordance with good receipt PO and delivery, which is related to this item. So first of all, we open the item master data window. To use query generator, you have to open system information like this. Put a stick on system information. After opening system information, every time you put your mouse on a specific information on any window, the system information will be shown on the bottom left corners. By this way, I know that the information of item stored in the table OITM. So I input the OITM, I choose item codes and item name. That's what I want to see on my report. So I want to see the item group name on the report as well. Like this. So I choose double click on item group. So now we have to check the report. The item group have been solved, but it's just the codes, and I want the name. So I open the item group window and take the name from table OITP. So now I input OITP and press tab button to show the information of the table. I choose on the item group. Here, double click on this ones, execute. Now we have item group name on the report, and I don't want to display the item group code, so I just delete this. Execute again, and the item group code disappeared. So now I want to have the information of good delivery, which relevant to the item. So you can find here we have the table DPNI. I want to take quality, unit right, and the total life. So I put the table here, the PDN1. All the information now are displayed. I just double click to choose what I want to show on the report. How about I want to show the quality? Here you can see it's just double click and the qualities have been chosen, the price and the total life. Total life is mean the price multiple to the qualities. When good receipts again, you can see the quality here, the unit price here, and the life total is here. So next one, I want to take the information on the delivery according to the item. So again, I key in the name of the table of delivery DLN1. All the information has been shown again, and I just simply choose qualities, price, and life totals again. You can see life total here. Double click on it and execute to see the report. So now we have the quality, the price, the raw total of the good receipt PO, and quality, price, and raw total of delivery. So now open it to look at. So it's very difficult to distinguish with to know which is the quality of good CPO and which is the quality of the delivery. So now we make a little bit adjustment on the script, like the quality as receive qualities. Yeah, this means you change the name for the columns. We do the same with the quality of the delivery as delivery quality. Okay. What we are doing is to change the name of the column on the report, but the price is purchase price on table 2, and on table 3 the price is sale price. Okay, execute again. Now we can see that the quality and the price has been changed. The name of the column has been changed. So what I'm gonna do now is make some additional column to the report. Let's say I want to have a column like available quality. This means I make a calculation, use the receipt quality minus to the sale quality, then I have the available qualities. Let's check on the report. You can see now we have a delivery quality minus to receipt quality and have available qualities. Easy to understand. I want to make another additional column like gross profits. So to have gross profits, I have to take the sale price minus to the purchase price, and then we have a gross profits. So I want to make a small script. You can see now. So we have here the T3 price, is mean the sale price, minus to the T2 price, is mean the price we take from good receipt PO. Make the minus, and then we have a gross profits. It's simple. Execute, and you see the result. Gross profits here. We sell the sale price is $5, and then we minus to the purchase price $2. Then we have a gross profit of $3. It's easy to understand. So just click cancel. Another function is that we can use some of the column to make a short or to make a graph on your report. For example, I want to short my report on the item code. You can see that the item codes have been shorted as alphabets orders. Now I want to make a condition. I make a condition on my report. This means that I just want to generate the report on specific item code. So every time I execute, the system asks me which item I want to generate the report on. So in this case, I choose VPP 001, and you can see this. The report is generated on the item VPP 001. We have here. all the information. So the available quality is 1000 and the gross profit is 3000. But I want to change the name of the gross profit because it's not the gross profit of the item, it's just a gross profit of one unit of the item. So I change the name again to gross profit on each unit. Execute again. Choose the item that I want to see on the reports. Click on OK, and then you see the column name has been changed. To save the report for later use, you just use the save buttons, choose the category, and then give the report a name. For example, I give the name is query 2. Just click on save. So after saving the query report, you can use this anytime as you want. To use this icon here, click on the icon here, choose the category, and then choose the query report, click on OK. Again, choose the item that you want to generate the report on, click on OK, and then you can see this is the reports. You can use anytime. After creating this once, and then you can use this anytime. As here, you can use this function to edit or make some modify or make some adjustment on the script directly from this window. Thank you for your watching. Hope that this video is useful.